Good day, sir, madam. I am Floraline Reyes, 35 years old, married from Chaong, Quezon Province, Philippines. Blessed with my 3 children, 14 years old boy, 13 years old girl, 10 months old baby girl, and I'm college graduate of Diploma in Agricultural Technology. I work as a local helper here in the Philippines in 3 years, and I have served 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children, ages 3 years old and 6 years old. My main duties are cleaning the house, ironing, washing dishes, washing clothes, cooking, gardening, and also taking care of their children and taking care of small chicken in their backyard. I can do a household chores and I can cook a Chinese food a little like steamed fish, but I'm willing to learn more. I can sing a children's song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. And also I can read the storybook like Cinderella, Snow White, and Rapunzel, and more. Sir, Madam, I want to work in Hong Kong to give my family better future and better life. Sir, Madam, I hope you will find me, and if you hire me, I will do my best to serve your family, and I treat your family as my own family too, and I will follow all regulations and responsibilities that you gave to me. Thank you, Sir, Madam, and God bless.